Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm a little late with this testimonial, but I got a big shout out for Nico and the bots course. A couple things about this course. It's basically insane, like the value that you get inside for the money that you pay. Now, of course, depending when you're watching this video and at what time you got to purchase the course. I got the chance to pay the early bird, so I kind of feel almost like I'm cheating because I'm already using it in 4 different businesses. 1, it's an e-commerce store. 2 is the application part, what is the consulting business, and then in 2 brick and mortar type of service provider businesses, local, right? So that's without even me selling the service, like selling the bots as a service for other companies. We're probably going to do that in about 3 weeks or so once we put all the systems together and everything. But I got to say, it's a huge value. You got to be insane to not get it. The bots are not going anywhere. So it's only a matter of when you're going to start implementing in your business. It's not a matter of if. Just think about the open rates and click-through rates that you get with bots versus emails and of course all the other stuff that comes along with it. So anyway, again, big shout out to Nico and the course. It's a great value. You gotta take it. I'll probably gonna share some results with you guys in a few weeks, but until then, peace and thanks again. Take care.